Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO Pova 6 Pro and I want to show you how to add remove magnification to this device. Open settings application and need to look for our special function selection and there scroll and choose accessibility. In it we must find our magnification device selection, which is win accessibility shortcut. There, sorry, I can see that. And now we must turn on this function, confirm I got it, and we have our shortcut of magnification. Now we must tap on it and we can swipe with it and select place when we want it. And after we tap on it and tap on screen, we zoom our screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out by this feature, but when you want to change position of your zoom, use two fingers and swipe with it on screen. When you use only one finger, you can go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.